Hello everyone, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. Today we are going to talk about how to buy Safemoons. I'm on my iPhone and I have a app is called Trust Wallet, and I have a Safemoons bought it already couple days before. As you can see now, this value is $81. I have a bar this one for $50, and after swapping the coins and everything, I ended up to buy for $36. So $14 was wasted through the fees or stuff because you have to swap couple coins. In this video, I will explain step by step how to buy and what you need to know before you buy this one. I will not buy, but I will show you the steps you need to follow. As you can see, I have a 16 million Safemoons already, which one was cost me that time $36, and today is value a little bit high. I also seen them, this value goes to $200, then come back again. So you know that's the cryptocurrency go up and down. Now let's start. First, you have to download and install Trust Wallet. That's the easiest way. You can also do with the Metamask if you have it, but Metamask is, I have a hard time to buy the coin. So once you have a Trust Wallet, then what you have to do, you have to find the currency called BNB, like this one. Then you have to click here when you got the BNB, and you have to buy. I have already bought it. So in my case, you will see send, receive, copy, or more. But I also seen another thing. I believe you can buy here at the MetaMask. You cannot buy BNB, so you have to buy Ethereum, and you need to swap and BNB. But same thing, if you trust wallet before, then you have any other currency, then you can also transfer from Ethereum to BNB, or either way you need to have a BNB. But in your case, probably you don't have it this more. You're gonna click here to buy. Once you click on buy, you're gonna buy BNB with your credit card or debit card. Here it's gonna tell you how much you can buy, $50, $10, whatever you want. You don't have to, like say you can put a $50. That's the way I have it done. Once you click next, you have to go through the process, put your credit card or something, then it's gonna ask you your card information, then they're gonna buy, like this company gonna buy for you. So once you have already bought, it's gonna take a 1 minute, 2 minute, 10 minute, then you're gonna receive BNB. Then what you have to do, you have to go back. Once you got here, you have to still you need to click on the BNB, then you have to click on more. From more, you have to click here swap to smart chain. Once you click on swap to smart chain, it will take a couple more seconds, then this BNB will be transferred to smart chain. That's all you have to do, because to buy Safemoons you need a smart chain, because that's minus market. So you have to have smart chain balance here, BNB, whatever. But when you're gonna do, when first you're gonna buy for $50, you're gonna get value of maybe like $45, $6 in your account. Then you're gonna transfer, it's gonna charge you more fees. Then what you have to do, you have to click here on the browser. Let me move this one. You see here browser, you have to click here. You cannot do on your computer, you have to do on your smartphone. You click here. I have already used, so it's my history. You're gonna find this one. If not, you search here, say PancakeSwap. Once you click here, this will open. I have my wallet linked already, but in your case it's gonna say connect. You have to click here, and once you click, it will link automatically. Or let me go back again, go to here wallet, and here go to your wallet, just go here receive. Once you click on receive, you will see what you want to receive. You have your wallet address, you can scan or whatever. You can also copy from here. So that's your wallet address, that's the way. But otherwise, if you are just going to the Trust Wallet browser and Pancake, and you say connect, it will ask you what you want to connect a Trust wallet or Metamask, your information it will link automatically. Then what you want to buy from VNV. So you click here VNV, then you click on the max. So whatever VNV you have it shows here, you're gonna buy for max. So once you click on the max, or you can type manually, then you have to click here select currency. For this one you can, right now I have a body already, so I can just simply click Safemoons, and you can just say I understand, or you can change and continue. You will buy Safemoon, but in first time you're not gonna be able to find Safemoon. So what you have to do, you can go to any other website called Coin Market Cap. Like here we can open. So here you can search for Safemoon. So once you click on Safemoon, it will take a couple seconds. Safemoon will come over here. Oh, here we go. We have to click here. So at the Safemoon price shows right now, just copy here this address. You say copied, then you close this one, you don't need to open. Then you click here at the Safemoon and you paste your address over here. So once you paste, you will see Safemoon, you select. So that's all you have to do. Right now I don't have any BNB right now, but in your case you have it. I will say your order will not execute because you are putting same price, because this price is a volatile lot. So what you have to do, like if you have a 0.059 blah blah BNB, then just put 0.5 and the last numbers just leave it, because that's gonna be price up and down. Then it's gonna show you here buy or swap. You're just gonna simply click on swap. Once you're done, it will take again couple minutes, couple seconds, 5 to 10 minutes. Then Safemoon is gonna be arrive in your account. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in next video with a new topic.